Hi friends, welcome to my channel in my intermediate Vedic Mathematics course. And before I start today's session, we'd like to see what we did in our last session. In our last session, we have seen how to multiply numbers which are below base, where the base is more than 10, like 20, 30, 40 up to 90. Right? So multiplying numbers below the base, where the base is 20 to 90, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 90. Today what you are going to see? Today we are going to see similar. That is multiplying numbers which are below base, but the base is more than 100. Earlier we had seen how to multiply numbers which are below base where the base is 100. But today we will see where the base is more than 100, like 200, 300, 400, 500 up to 900, how to do that problem. That's what you're going to see. So, okay, let us start with it. Now, before I start, a little recapitulation of what we did when the base was 100. Well, since we want to find out the base is 200, 300 up to 900. So let's first see when the base was 100, how did you do that? So let us take, for example, we wanted to multiply 98 into 99. What we did? Here the base is being taken as 100. The base is 100. When the base is 100, what we used to do, 98 minus 100 is equal to what? Minus 2. 99 minus 100 is minus 1. Cross subtraction tells you get 98 minus 1 is 97. 99 minus 2 is also 97. So you have to write 97 here. And then second part of the answer is minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. And that's equal to 97. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. But the base has got two zeros. So we have to put here two digits. This 2 will put here and one digit in between 0, 97. So the answer is 9702. Instead of putting 2, we will put 02. To compensate for these two zeros, need to have two digits here in the second part of the answer. How to make that 2? Add 1 0 and put 10. 9702 was the answer. Right? So this is how we do in case the base is 100. Now the base is being changed to higher, 200, 300, 400 like that. So let us see an example how we are going to do that. Say for example, we want to multiply 198 with 199. Here the base is obviously 200. It's below the base. The number is below the base. Now 198 minus 200 is minus 2 and 199 minus 200 is minus 1. How do you get it? 198 minus 200. Just find out like this. 199 minus 200. Now you cross subtraction, we get 197. 197. Now the change is this, since the base is 200, it is second multiple of 100. Second multiple of 100, 200. So it multiply this with 2. And the second part of the answer is minus 2 into minus 1 as it is. Here you get 7 to the 14, 139. And minus 2 into minus 1 is how much? It's 2. But the base has got two zeros here, so we'll put here 02. 39402. I hope you understand it. 198 minus 200 minus 2. 199 minus 200 minus 1. Cross subtraction 197 into 200. The base is 200. Second multiple of 100. To multiply this is 2. The second part of the answer is minus 2 into minus 1. Now 197 into 2 is 394. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. The base has got 2 zeros here, so we'll put here 02. So answer is 39402. I hope you understand it. Things are very simple, very interesting, but you have to follow and understand the process. So let's go ahead now. Let's go ahead and take the next example, 297 with 296. Multiply these two. Well, here the base is, you can see the base is 300. The base is 300, so 297 minus 300 is minus 3. 296 minus 300 is minus 4. Cross subtraction, 297 minus 4 is 293 and 296 minus 3 is also 293. So we write here 293, but here the base is 300, third multiple of 100, so multiply this with 3. The second part of the answer is 3 into 4 is 12. Minus 3 into minus 4 is 12. Minus 3 into minus 2, 4 is 12. Here it's 339, 329, 87. 12, base has got 2 digits. So this has got 2 digits, no issue, 1 and 2. 87912. I hope you have followed it. 297 minus 300 minus 3, 296 minus 300, 4. Cross subtraction 293 into third multiple of 100 into 3, and second part of the answer is minus 3 into minus 4 is 12. This is 879 and 12. There are 2 zeros here in 300, so we just put here 12, right? There's no issue. Well, simple, very simple. You have understood, you have seen the base is 300. Now we'll increase the base. Let us see the next example. 393 with 399. Multiply. Here the base is 400. And the base is 400. 393 minus 400 is minus 7. 399 minus 400 is minus 1. Cross subtraction with each other, we get 392, 392. So write 392 here into, since it's 400, we'll multiply this with 4. And the second part of the answer, minus 7 minus 1. It becomes 4 to the 8, 4 9 to 36, 3, 3 4 to the 12 plus 3, 15, 1568. Minus 7 into minus 1 is 7, but then there are 2 zeros here, so there will be 2 digits. We'll put here 02. 1568. Sorry, this is minus 7 into minus 1 is 7. 156,807, that is the answer. I think you follow it. 393 minus 400 minus 7, 399 minus 400 minus 1. This becomes 392. The cross subtraction, 392 into fourth multiple of 100. Multiply this with 4 and then minus 7 into minus 1. This becomes 1568 and this becomes 7. There are 2 zeros in the base. We put here 07. Answer is 156807. Well, I hope you understand it. We'll do now next problem or last problem, increasing the base further. Let us do 892 into 898. It's a huge multiplication, but when you're following this method, things have become very easy, so easy, you know. Here the base is 900. So 892 minus 900, how much? Minus 8. 892 minus 900 minus 8. 898 minus 900 is how much? Minus 2. Now cross subtraction, you get 892 minus 2 is 890, 898 minus 8 is also 890, so write here 890. It will always become the same. So you need not check both. One is enough. 890 into, this is 900, so you'll multiply with 9, because as I told you, this is 9th multiple of 100, so we'll multiply this with 9. 890 into 9. The second part of the answer is minus 8 into minus 2 is 16. I'll write here minus 8 into minus 2. Those who could not follow, minus 8 into minus 2. Okay, and this becomes 0. 9 9s 81, 8. 8 9s is 72 plus 8, 8 0, 1 0. And this is 16. Minus 8 into minus 2 is 16. The base has got 2 zeros, base had got 2 zeros. So we can write 2 digits here, 16. So the answer is 801016. 892 into 898. 892 minus 900 is minus 8. 898 minus 900 is minus 2. Cross subtraction, it becomes 890 into 9 multiple of 100 into 9 into, the second part of the answer is minus 8 into minus 2. This becomes 8010. This becomes 8 into 2, 16. Minus minus plus 16. There are 2 zeros here. You can put 2 digits here. So the answer is 801016. Right? I hope you have followed it. Things are simple, but things are interesting also. A very big problem has been done so easily without any difficulty at all. Right? So if you've understood it, for your practice, I'll give you an exercise which you can do yourself. Exercise 196 into 197. 498 into 497. 693 into 695 and 798 into 799. Right? Please do try these 4 problems with this method, considering the base as more than the numbers below the base. I mean, you should take more than this, right? So, try these 4 problems. I hope you will be able to do it, and you practice it and just go through my video so that you can understand it if there is any problem. But if still there is a problem, there is any question, any doubt, please do write in the comments box so that I can reply to your question. Well, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like and share it with others so that others can also learn Vedic mathematics. So what are you going to do next time? Today we have done this. Next time we are going to do something little different. We have seen today below the base. In every case, below the base of 20 to 90, below the base 200 to 900. Now next time we are going to see above base. And the base is when the two numbers are above base and the base is more than 10. The base is 20, 30, 40, 60, 70 up to 90, but the number is above the base, right? The only difference in number is above the base. Earlier it was, today we have done below the base. That's what we are going to see our next time. You should learn things step by step, one by one, and master every topic that I am giving here so that you can become totally conversant with this Vedic mathematics and you can use it for your benefit for fast calculation. So with that, when I'm going to meet you next time with my new session, with my new topics. Till the time I meet you again, all the best. Please take care of yourself.